In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Blue Lock Manga Edit in CapCut. Open CapCut on the web or in the mobile app. Use whichever you prefer. Start a fresh project by choosing Create New. Before you add anything, set the canvas to 9:16. This vertical format is perfect for platforms like TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, so your manga panels will fill the screen and look clean on phones. Now bring in your manga images. Use artwork you own or have permission to edit, and import them in the order you want them to appear. If any image doesn't quite fit the frame, use the Fit or Fill options and reposition so the character or key action sits near the center. A quick reframe now saves time later. On the timeline, shorten each image so the pace feels punchy. Drag the clip edges inward to tighten them up. For this style, snappy cuts work best. Think well under a second per panel if you want high energy. Zoom into the timeline if it helps you trim precisely and keep your sequence consistent. Select your first image, then open Animation. Head over to the Combo tab and pick Stirring. This combo adds a dynamic movement that makes still panels feel alive. Adjust the animation duration so it matches the length of the clip, then play it back and make sure it doesn't overshadow the art. Apply the same stirring combo to 3 more images, so your first 4 clips share the same motion language. Take your time here. Consistency across panels makes the edit feel intentional. Preview, tweak, and don't rush the timing. Next, we'll layer in effects. With a clip selected, open Effects, then go to Body Effects. Navigate to Trending, and if you don't see what you need, tap View All. Choose Electric Storm. It adds a bold, energetic aura that fits the Blue Lock vibe. Position it so it enhances your character rather than covering faces or key details. You can fine-tune intensity, size, and frequency to match the mood of your panel. Keep the effect's duration aligned with the clip by trimming the effect layer on the timeline. Apply Electric Storm to 4 images so the visual style stays coherent from panel to panel. Give everything a final preview. Check that the 9:16 framing is clean, the trims are tight, stirring animations are smooth, and the Electric Storm is balanced, not overpowering. When you're happy with the flow, you've got a polished Blue Lock manga edit ready to share.